Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So I got this ticket from my client that his website is not working. It's showing domain is bugged courtesy to GoDaddy.com page when we try to open it or try to log into the website. As you can see, domain is connected fine with the hosting, but when we try to open the website, it's not working. So basically there are a few reasons for this. First of all, your domain is expired. In this case, you have to renew your domain and it will start working. Another reason is that domain is not pointing to correct IP address. So in order to check this, we have to open this website dnschecker.org and paste your domain name here and press enter, and it will show the IP address where the domain is currently pointing to. Now this IP address should be matching with the hosting server IP address. Here is the hosting server IP address and it's different, it's not matching, and this is the reason their website is not working. So now I'm quickly going to update the IP address in their domain DNS page. Let me quickly open their domain and click on DNS. So here we have to update the IP address in a record. If you are not able to find a record here, you can create one. Okay, host should be @ and points to should be your hosting IP address. That's all guys, that's all we need to do. And now I'm going to check the domain name again in DNS checker page. Now as you can see, the domain has started propagating to new IP address, and I'm going to leave my system for 1 or 2 hours because it takes time to propagate on all global servers. So I'm back again and let me quickly refresh the page, and you can see the domain is now pointing to new IP address on all global servers. So let me quickly refresh my website, and it's loading now. And in case it's still not loading for you, add this to your URL page. Okay, / no cache equal to 1. It will eliminate any cache related issues with your browser or your ISP. Cool, so that's all guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like the video and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.